Hello, in this video tutorial we're going to look at adding titles to our movie. First thing you need to do is of course have your movie already cut and edited. When you're ready to add titles, what you'll need to do is go to the content library, which is located in the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on the section called titles, and up at the top here you're going to have access to title templates. To preview the title templates, simply place your cursor and scroll it across the template, and gives you an example of what that template will look like. Once you've found the title template that you want to use, simply click once to select it, and then click and hold again, and drag it to place it in front of your clip. This will give your title its own text and its own background. Notice that the background is black. If you want to change the title of the text, you simply click here to edit the title text. If you want to change the color of the text, simply highlight it and press this button here. This allows you to change the color of the text through the color spectrum wheel. You can also change where the text is aligned, change the font size, and the font style. Once you're finished with your changes, just press this checkbox here, and it'll apply your changes. Now if you want to add text on top of live action or on top of your video, what you'll want to do is simply select the title template you want to use, then click and hold, and drag and place it on top of video. When you do that, you'll notice that instead of having its own background, it's actually on top of your video. This is where text is actually housed above the video. To edit this text, just like before, you simply select the text, and then over here on the right hand side of the preview window, you add in your text. If you want to decrease the duration of this text so it doesn't match the same duration as this video, what you can do is simply select the text and then go up here to the eye with the circle around it, and you can change the duration from 2.7 to 1.7, and that will decrease the duration of the title. What that will do is it will actually trail off once it gets to that marker point. So here's a preview. In this case, it wasn't a very good idea to use that type of template because it had a transition at the beginning. So I'm going to choose a different one, and I'm going to choose this one here, and again drag and drop it on top. I'm going to reposition it. I'm going to change the title text, clicking the preview window. Save my changes, and then double click on the inspector and change that from 4 seconds to 2 seconds. There we go. I can also stretch this text out by simply clicking on the text, placing my cursor at the end, and then clicking and holding and dragging it to the right, so I can increase the duration.